Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to do a mail merge in the new Outlook, step by step, updated for 2025. Whether you're sending out personalized emails, newsletters, or invitations, this guide will help you master the process easily. So, grab your list and let's get started. First is open your Outlook in your PC. After opening, click the New Mail. After clicking in the Sent button, click the arrow down. Now click the Start Mail Merge. From here, you can easily add multiple recipients at once. And that's it. You now know how to do a mail merge in the new Outlook using the latest 2025 update. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for our next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.